Good morning, my students. How are you today? English words can't grade, listening and class composition. Pupils book, page number 90 and 91. Now, open your pupils book at page number 90. Listening. Look at the picture. Question number 1. Look at the pictures, then listen. انظر إلى الصور ثم استمع. Look at the picture يا تاني. Picture number 1. What is Joy doing? What is Joy doing? He is eating cake and he is drinking milk. Okay. What's the time in this picture? It is 5 o'clock. It is 5 o'clock. Picture number 2. Where is Joy? He is in bed. He is in bed. What's the time? It is 10:30. إنها 10:30. Picture number C. What's the time? It is 4:30. What is the weather like? Sunny and hot. Picture D. What's the time? It is 10 o'clock. What is Joy doing? He is reading. He is reading. Picture E. What's the time? It is 3 o'clock. What is Joy doing? He is watching TV. Last picture, picture number F. What's the time? It is 8:30. What is Joy doing? He is playing computer games. Now, let's listen to the CD.
Page 90. Activities 1 and 2.
Number 1.
Yesterday afternoon, Joe was at home. It was 3 o'clock. Joe was in the living room. The man on TV was very funny.
Number 2.
At 4:30, Joe and his dad were in the garden. It was sunny and hot.
Number 3.
At 5 o'clock, Joe was in the kitchen with his mother. Apple cake and milk. They were delicious.
Number 4.
It was 8:30. Joe was in his bedroom. His new computer game was fantastic.
Number 5.
It was 10 o'clock. Joe was in bed, but he wasn't sleepy. His book was very funny.
Number 6.
It was 10:30. Joe was asleep.
After listening to the CD, 1 with E, 2 with C, 3 with A, 4 with F, 5 with D, 6 with B.
Page 90. Activity 3. Listen and sing.
They were big, they were small, they were short, they were tall. The wonderful monsters from Mars. They were green, blue and brown. They marched through the town. The wonderful monsters from Mars. They were good, they were bad, they were happy and sad. The wonderful monsters from Mars. They were orange and red, they were all in my head. The wonderful monsters from Mars.
Sing again.
Now, open your pupils book at page 91. class composition. Activity 1. Look at the pictures. Write the story. انظر إلى الصور ثم اكتب عنها. Picture number 1. What was the time in this picture? It was 3:30. إنها الساعة 3:30. Was Betty in the garden? كانت بيتي في الحديقة. Yes, she was in the garden. Picture number 2. What was the time in this picture? It was 4:30. Was Betty alone? كانت وحيدة. Yes, but wasn't bored. Picture number 3. What was the time in this picture? It was 5:30. Where were they? They were in the garden. وين كانوا كلهم؟ They were in the garden. كانوا بالحديقة. Let's write about each picture. نكتب عن كل الصور اللي حكيناهم. Picture number 2. Yesterday, Betty was in the garden. It was 4:30. She was alone, but she wasn't bored. Again, yesterday, Betty was in the garden. It was 4:30. She was alone, ولكن she wasn't bored. ما كانت زهقانة. كانت وحيدة بس مش زهقانة. Picture number 3. Yesterday, Betty was in the garden. It was 5:30. She wants to play, but she has a homework. كانت تريد اللعب بس عليها واجبات. Where were they? وين كانوا كلهم؟ They were in the garden. Again, yesterday Betty was in the garden. It was 5:30. She wants to play, but she has a homework. Where were they? They were in the garden. Thank you, my student. See you next time. Don't forget to do this exercise. Goodbye.